Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, 100-ton autonomous submarine vessels for coastal defense. The Indian Army is taking a significant step forward in modernizing its capabilities by exploring the induction of a new class of autonomous submarine vessels in the 100-ton range. These small, highly maneuverable warships are designed to bolster coastal defenses and conduct operations in shallow waters, aligning with India's maritime security needs. The new vessels, each weighing approximately 100 tons, will be equipped with advanced combat capabilities, including weapons, mine clearance system, and surveillance equipment. Defense sources informed India Today that these unmanned vessels are expected to play a key role in monitoring and countering activities of adversarial forces across multiple fronts. Next, Pinaka missile outperforms competitors in cost. India's guided Pinaka missile system, developed by the DRDO, has emerged as a highly cost-effective and precision-guided artillery weapon with a unit set of 70 lakh. This positions it as a competitive alternative to similar global systems like the Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System, unitary round developed by Lockheed and Martin, which costs approximately 1.2 crore per unit. When compared to Lockheed Martin's GMLRS unitary, the guided Pinaka proves to be a more cost-effective solution, with the unit price being approximately 60% lower. The GMLRS unitary round, priced at about 1.2 crore per unit, delivers precision strike capability with a 200-pound warhead and a range exceeding 70 kilometers. The cost differential becomes even more significant, considering that the guided Pinaka, priced at 70 lakhs per unit, offers the same range and mission capabilities, making a formidable competitor in the market. Next, deal for advanced early warning radar system. India and Russia are reportedly on the verge of finalizing a significant defense deal involving the acquisition of an advanced early warning radar system capable of detecting threats at ranges exceeding 6,000 kilometers. According to a report by the Sunday Guardian, the agreement, valued at even $4 billion, is in the advanced stages of negotiations and aligns with India's effort to bolster its air defense and missile tracking capabilities. A delegation from Almaz Antey, a leading Russian manufacturer of air defense and radar system, recently visited India to advance the discussions. Next, loitering munitions with Nagastra series development. Solar Group, through its subsidiary Economic Explosives Limited (EEL), is rapidly advancing India's capabilities in indigenous loitering munition. After successfully delivering 480 units of the Nagastra 1, the company is now accelerating its work on the Nagastra 2 and the next generation Nagastra 3. These efforts signify India's growing emphasis on developing advanced, self-reliant defense technology. The Nagastra 1, a significant milestone in India's defense manufacturing, has already been fielded. Building on the success, EEL has finalized the design and development of the Nagastra 2, a loitering munition designed for enhanced portability and operational versatility. Weighing 20 kilograms, the Nagastra 2 is a two-man portable system equipped with a 4-kilogram anti-tank, anti-personnel warhead, The system features a portable pneumatic launcher, making it easy to deploy in diverse combat scenarios. Nexo, India's very own Space Force starts taking shape. India has taken a significant stride in bolstering its space defense capabilities by conducting its first comprehensive space defense exercise, Antariksh Abhyas 2024, held from November 11th to 13th. The landmark exercise, spearheaded by the Defense Space Agency, aimed to simulate and counter evolving threats to space-based assets, which are crucial to national security. Next, India to show concerns for the delay in S-400 deliveries and weapon platform spares. India is set to raise concerns regarding the significant delays in the delivery of the two remaining squadron of S-400 Triumph air defense missile system, as well as the supply of crucial spares for several weapon platforms during Defense Minister Rajnath Singh's upcoming 3-day visit to Russia next week. The visit, which will focus on strengthening defense ties between the two nations, comes at a time when India's air defense capabilities are critically dependent on the timely delivery of these high-tech systems. Thank you.